Hello, in today's video I will show you a secret scalping strategy that has a 90% win rate. This is my go-to strategy for scalping and is so simple that you only need one indicator. Alright, first go to the Indicators tab and search RSI. Click this one. The RSI is a momentum indicator. When it gets above the 70 line, many people want to sell. When it gets below the 30 line, many people want to buy. However, this strategy simply does not work. In this video we will be using RSI another way. We will look for divergence. As you can see here, the price is making lower lows, but if you look at the RSI, it is making higher lows. This is a divergence and would be a good signal to buy. Here, the price is making higher highs, however, the RSI is making lower highs. This would be a sell signal. Not you just have to put your stop at the nearest swing high and set a 2-to-1 ratio. I will test this strategy 100 times and come back with the results. After testing this strategy over a series of 100 trades, it has a 91% win rate. The total gain on the account was 74%. I would make sure you do some backtesting yourself before you try this strategy on your own. That will be it for today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe for more of these strategy videos.